Welcome back for another FTT price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, FTT continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above support at around the $3 mark, which is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next significant area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies at around the $4.95 mark, and a break above that with a retest, a successful retest, then I will be expecting FTT to give us a break above the $6 mark and finally get above the $10 mark in the next coming hours. FTT has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming out on the charts to first give you a recap of what has been happening, you can see that last year we saw the collapse of FTX taking us to these lows down here, and after seeing the lows, you can see that we had been stuck within this range for a year, which is the range between the $0.96 mark and the $1.53 mark. And finally this year we saw the breakout out of the range to the upper side in a move that gave us a high above the $5.49 mark, in a move that I'm terming as the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expect next is a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $3.25 mark and the $1.9519 mark, which is the area that I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And there are high chances that we have seen a low in place for this wave 2 since we have seen a pullback into the area, and we are now starting to see a reaction to the upper side in what could be the start of this impulsive wave 3 to the upper side. And all we need to see for us to confirm that movement to the upper side in this wave 3 is a break above resistance at around the $4.95 mark, and also see a break above this significant high for this wave 1 at around the $5.49 mark, and a break above those significant areas here on the charts will send FTT above the $6 mark and also fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3, which is a target area that can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down here to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $10 mark. So that is what I'm watching out in case FTT is able to break above those significant areas of resistances and the significant highs. We also need to have in mind that there are also chances of seeing a rejection at that key area of resistance, and in case such a movement plays out, then I will be expecting a deeper pullback here on the FTT chart, where we can find our next significant area of support at around the $3 mark. And as long as we continue holding above the $3 mark, I'm still expecting higher prices. If we lose the $3 mark and continue seeing an even more deeper pullback over here, then that will be suggesting a more bearish scenario. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated on a daily basis. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.